What is up, guys? It's New Rock City for Roblox, and today we are filming this Kone elevator at
Restoration Hardware in West Palm Beach.
Restoration Hardware in West Palm Beach, Florida. And this is gold. What you installed?
Not sure, but oh look.
We'll check the interlock. Now we're going down to 1 because I started late. I think this was installed in like 2017 or 2018. But now we're going down to 1. It is loud as heck up there. We'll do our cab view. There's the ceiling. There's Lenny, floor indicator, fixtures, door open close alarm, emergency phone. And there's the mirror. Hi, guys. Floor indicator, 5,000 pound capacity. So there's bathrooms on floors 1, 3, and 4. We're gonna take one more ride up and we're gonna end the trip. Gonna get this for the thumbnail. And this has dual speed doors. Alright.